Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your network issues in your Samsung Smart TV. Just tap menu in your remote and go on search for network. Go to status, check in wireless network connection, network status, and now it's showing an X right here, red X. If you have that red X right here, it means your Wi-Fi is working, but it's not connected to your TV. The first thing to do is to always check your other devices, your phone, your tablet, your computer. If it's connected, it means there is no problem with the Wi-Fi. The problem is the connection with your TV. Go to IP settings. It says connected to your local network, but cannot connect to the internet. You go to IP settings right here. Press that, press OK. These are very important. The DNS server, it was 8888. There is no 9. Somebody has entered 9 here, so it's not. This is correct. Or you can enter this 888 or 4 and 4. Both these are correct. 8884. Okay, let's see. It's working now. Your wireless network and internet connection are set up and ready to use. Now it's working. Let's go back to IP settings and scroll down. I mean, it's working. I just want to put it back where it was before. I just put 888. Just put 8844 or 88884 times, and that's it, guys. Now it's working. So that's how it works with your Samsung Smart TV network. Please subscribe, leave your comments. If you have any questions, have a good day.